Listen to the following headlines. Woman's mutilated body found in Savage Pen, St. Andrew. 3 bodies found in shallow graves in March Pen, St. Catherine. March Pen carnage. 3 children. 2 adults murdered by gunmen. 3 men murdered in Maypen. Teenagers killed in Maypen. Brown man murdered in Maypen Bus Park. Double murder in Grandspen. Grandspen tense after man killed and another injured in gun attack. Thompson Pen triple murder said to be reprisal for earlier shooting. Murder-suicide shocks Macook's Pen. Gang feud blamed for beheading of Lakes Pen man. Man shot dead in Lakes Pen. 2 farmers killed in Lakes Pen. What is the common theme in the headlines apart from murder? Yes, the word pen is a part of the name of all the places mentioned.
Teach them! Always make sure the message reach them!
Let me hasten to declare that not all places in Jamaica with the word pen in their name are violent areas. But the reality we face is that there appears to be a correlation to the behavior of some people and the name of the communities in which they live. My understanding is that all pens in Jamaica were initially where cattle were raised, and it would be hard to disagree with the notion that many of our Jamaican brothers and sisters who reside in the pens display behavior equivalent to some animals. Based on our historical background, there are many places across Jamaica named pen, but I will zero in on those with a documented reputation of violence, as the pen syndrome is perhaps affecting the psyche, whether consciously or subconsciously. These communities are Christian Pen in Portmore, St. Catherine, Church Pen in Old Harbour, St. Catherine, Dempsha Pen in St. Catherine, Duncan's Pen, St. Catherine, Ellerslie Pen, Spanish Town, St. Catherine, Gordon Pen, St. Catherine, Grants Pen, Kingston, Lakes Pen, St. Catherine, March Pen, St. Catherine, May Pen, Clarendon, Macook's Pen, St. Catherine, Sly Pen, Kingston, Toss Pen, St. Catherine, Thompson Pen, St. Catherine, and Winter's Pen, also in St. Catherine. A name can even exert unconscious influence over a person's own choices, and it is my humble opinion that all pen communities in Jamaica should be renamed. The Romans had the expression, nomen est omen, or name is destiny.
Teach them! Hey, yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them. Right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Please leave a comment below. Remember to like and share the video. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content. Follow me on social media and check out the suggested videos on screen. This is Teach saying, until next time, walk good, my friends.